People think I'm just a rock, but in fact, I'm the largest thing alive on this planet. I'm so big I can be seen from space. But for how long? I grew for 250 million years. And humans came along and now want to be gone. Sure, I live at the bottom of the sea, and you may not see me as that often, but you do need me. You realize that 1/4 of our marine life depends on me. I am the nursery of the sea. Little fish depend on me for food, and to hide from the big fish. And guess who eats the big fish? That's right, you do. I'm the protein factory for the world. Yet you raise the temperature of the ocean so I can't live here anymore. When the big storms and tsunamis bear through the ocean, I'm the fortress. Yet you cheer me a bunch of dynamite and poison me with cyanide. Well, it's a great thought. Stop killing me.